Paige, and my family's from Palestine. It's just my mother's side, but I would like to tell you a story of my granddad. In 1948, my granddad's family was living in Jaffa. Suddenly, soldiers started to arrive, shooting people, bombing people, and killing people. His family had to return and run away and save themselves. They moved to Cairo in Egypt, and he had to grow up in a completely different country. He was lucky though. He was able to return back to Gaza when he was 30. In Gaza, he set up a hospital to help some people have babies. Now, because of the genocide, he had to run away to Egypt again. His hospital has been flattened, and thousands of the children helped to get one are either dead or living in tents. The Nakba happened again, but we will return. My granddad Baha will return. My grandmother Muna will return. We will all return.